Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm sharing a very good breakfast cake, this or bread you can call it, made using ragi and bananas. A very wholesome, sweet breakfast recipe. If you wish to have, then here it is. Iron rich, calcium rich, ragi, banana, bread. So simple. If you like to have something sweet for your breakfast, then here is the best option for you. We'll see in detail how to make this ragi banana bread. Before that, let me first say hi to everyone. Welcome to Latu's Kitchen. First time visiting here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Find the video useful, do share. That means a lot to us. Ragi banana bread, a very moist bread this using bananas. How to get started? Take oil. Sweetener, I'm using half a cup of sugar and half a cup of jaggery powder. I don't want to use complete jaggery powder, so I'm mixing half regular sugar powder and half jaggery powder. If you want, you can avoid the regular sugar. Make it totally healthy by using one full cup of powdered jaggery. Then use vanilla essence, some drops, give it a good whisk, all that, let it combine well, then we'll add the other ingredients. Once we add in banana, it will help you to whisk it more well. Take two full ripe bananas, a bigger one. If it is smaller one, take four. Peel the skin. No need to make a puree of it using the mixer jar. Just using a fork, we can just mash them. It requires full ripe banana, so to get more flavor and sweetener to this cake bread, you can call it. Ensure you remove the top and bottom. Always bananas tend to have bacteria. Better to remove them off if it is completely ripe. Then mash it using fork nicely like this. Then add in this to the oil, curd mix. That's it. We don't need a puree of banana. It's ready now. We can just add them and give it a good whisk. Now whisk it using whisker. A good beat, which will help all the ingredients to mix together. Once it is done, then we're going to save the flour and adding that to this mixer. I'm taking 1 cup of ragi flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. You can replace with all purpose if you don't want whole wheat, but ragi is the main ingredient. Then goes in a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and some pinch of salt. Always when you make a sweet recipe, just a pinch of salt adding would help all the flavor to combine together and give us a good taste to that sweet recipe. Just a pinch, not too much. Save to form airy onto the floor, which will give more moist and fluffiness to the bread or the cake. Gently fold it by using cut and fold. Ensure everything get mixed well. Then preheat oven for 10 minutes at 180 degree and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. The time actually varies from oven to oven. Mine took in fact 45 minutes, but on an average 30 to 45 minutes it takes. In between, while you're Mixing the batter. If you get stuck, if it is hard, then add in a little bit of milk to loosen it up. Ensure it is not too liquidy. It has to be a little solid dough batter rather. This is a very good recipe to be eaten during breakfast or even for your evening tea. A very, especially for kids, a wholesome cake recipe. Ragi is very rich in iron, calcium, and lot of other essential vitamins and minerals. So do banana. It gives instant energy, especially if you have it for the breakfast. It is very good, this particular cake bread. You can use your bread loaf or cake tin to bake this, but ensure preheat the oven and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. Insert a toothpick if it comes out clean, which means it is baked completely. Add some nuts of your choice, or you can just ignore. That's it. A very healthy ragi banana bread is ready to be served for your morning breakfast, or like I said, for your evening coffee. It goes very well. Do try this and let me know how you liked it. Looking forward to seeing you back again. If you're still not subscribed, do subscribe Latu's Kitchen. Thank you so much.